Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add page transition specific pages of a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this view option. Here you will find this page transition option. Click here and this transition box. Select page transition and select blinds. You can change direction. Also you can change speed here. So, and select a specific page range. I'll apply first 3 pages and other event. Select OK and go right and bottom corner. Here you will find this full screen mode. Click here and see this page transition now added first this and escape. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.